Alright guys, we got the packages to me for Mustika Jamu. We buy this, okay. This is an unboxing video. Everything is okay. Everything is safe. This is the things, okay. Let's open this and check the package on. Oh, the packages is very thin, so I must be careful to open this. Oh no, not like that. They protect this with the what you call this, kind of boxes. This is the others. Looks like a dash of woods. This is it. Ginseng. Okay, this is ginseng, 1 kilograms, and this is Kopi lanang. It's not just Kopi lanang, because it has combination Kopi lanang with something else. Let's see. This thing is Kopi lanang jahe kasturi. This is Kopi lanang jahe kasturi. You can see the textures. Looks like a sand. Smell kasturi. The function is 1 kilogram, so 1000 grams. Coffee is good for the emotion, positive, and then this combination help vitality, cure disease, headaches, allergy, pox, monkeypox, and cleaning the red eyes, push up the testosterone hormone. This is how to use. Okay, that's it. This thing is ginseng. Ginseng, you should know that this is a root from the Chinese, but this is Javanese ginseng. It came from the Java. When I smell that, this looks like real ginseng, I hope. I never tried this before. This is 1 kilograms of ginseng. What is the kilograms of ginseng? This is ginseng, 1 kilograms organic superfoods for the cognitive, anti-inflammation, reduce stress, control your diabetes, cure cancer, old, stop the aging. You can build with the helper, with the coffee. That's it. Ginseng. And then this one, let's reopen this. This is a castor oil. No, it's not castor oil, but this is a kind of or dayak oil. Let's reopen this and let's see what is that. so thick. Oh, so safe enough. Let me take the oil. This is the oil. Spirit this minyak, dayak, akar, saluang, ginseng, hutan, paku, nail. They said this oil is unique oil. You can see this is oil dayak, akar, saluang, ginseng, jungle ginseng with paku atei. Okay, made from the wood of root saluang with the jungle ginseng and with paku atei. Cure almost everything. Analgesic, antiseptics. This thing is for massage and many things. This is for your allergy, virus, bacterial, and this is the things. Okay, this is it. Ginseng, the oil, and then the coffee. Okay, this is it. Yeah, thank you for watching.